How to fix you can only add 3 hashtags on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the issue where Instagram only lets you add 3 hashtags to your caption. So if Instagram keeps blocking you from adding more hashtags, just follow along step by step and we'll sort it out together. All right, let's dive in. First, find the Instagram app on your phone, then tap and hold the icon until a menu pops up. Tap the little Info I button. On this page, tap Force Stop, then confirm with OK. Next, tap Storage. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and confirm. This wipes temporary files that might be causing the problem. Don't worry, it won't delete your posts or your account. If you're using an iPhone, you won't see a Clear Cache option. Just offload the Instagram app and reinstall it. It works the same way. Now head back to your home screen. Open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar, and type Instagram. If you see an update button, go ahead and update the app. Keeping Instagram on the latest version helps fix bugs like this. Now let's move on to the next fix. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the 3 lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap Help. Then choose Report a Problem. After that, tap Report Problem without shaking, and then hit Include and Continue. You'll now see a box where you can describe the issue. Go ahead and type something like, "Hi Instagram support, I'm unable to add more than 3 hashtags to my captions. The app keeps limiting me, and I think this is an error. Please look into this issue. Thank you." Once you've written that, send the report. If you've tried everything and the issue still pops up, there's one last solution. Uninstall the Instagram app completely and then reinstall it from the Play Store. A fresh install usually clears any leftover glitches. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the problem where Instagram only allows 3 hashtags on your captions. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this.